3D printing looks simple from the outside. Pick a model, hit print, and out comes your design. In practice, the experience can vary a lot depending on the machine. Some printers feel like tools, others feel like projects. In this guide, we'll cover what actually matters when buying a 3D printer, then finish with 3 picks: a strong budget option, the best overall value for most people, and a more capable premium machine for those who want more flexibility. We've included updated links with the best pricing in the description below. When people shop for a 3D printer, they often focus on headline specs like speed or build volume. Those matter, but they rarely tell the whole story. The first thing to consider is reliability and setup friction. A printer that constantly needs tweaking can turn an exciting hobby into a maintenance routine. Automatic bed leveling and a stable motion system make printing far more predictable. A common mistake is buying the cheapest printer with big specs, then spending more time calibrating than printing. Second is material capability. Many people start with PLA because it's easy to print. But over time, you may want stronger or more heat-resistant materials like ABS, ASA, or nylon. Printers with enclosed designs or higher hot-end temperatures make that transition easier. The common mistake is assuming every printer handles every filament equally well. Third is workflow. Small conveniences add up. Automatic calibration, remote monitoring, and good slicer profiles make a printer easier to use regularly. Even something simple like sending a file directly from your computer can make the machine far more enjoyable to use. A helpful mindset shift is to think less about raw specs and more about ownership experience. A printer that works consistently is often the better long-term choice. We looked across a wide range of popular options in this category. Many are solid, but once you factor in reliability, ownership experience, and overall value, a smaller group stands out more clearly. Here are the 3 picks that make the most sense for most buyers. If you find this breakdown helpful, feel free to drop a quick like and subscribe for future reviews like this. Starting with the budget option. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M is the best budget pick, typically landing in the $240 range. What makes it stand out is how much modern capability it brings into a price bracket that usually demands compromises. The mix of speed, reliability, and usability makes it a strong entry point into high-speed printing. Its Core XY motion system, paired with travel speeds up to 600 mm per second, allows prints to finish much faster than many older entry-level machines while still maintaining solid quality. Automatic bed leveling is another major advantage. Instead of manually adjusting the printer before each job, the machine handles calibration itself, which makes first layers far more consistent. It also uses a direct drive extruder that can reach 280 degrees Celsius, allowing it to work with common materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU without needing upgrades. Maintenance is also fairly straightforward. The detachable nozzle system simplifies swaps, and the dual-sided PEI build plate helps prints release more easily once they cool. The main trade-off is operating noise. At higher speeds, the fans and motion system can be noticeable, which may matter in quieter spaces. Even so, the Adventurer 5M delivers an experience that feels more capable than its price suggests. For someone getting started without spending much, it's a very convincing entry point. Moving to the value category. The Bambu Lab A1 is the best overall value pick, usually found in the $300 range. What makes it compelling is how well it balances performance with ease of use. Many printers in this price class either require heavy tinkering or compromise on reliability. The A1 largely avoids both. Its automatic calibration system handles tasks like Z-offset and bed leveling on its own, reducing setup friction and helping prints stay consistent. Another key feature is active flow rate compensation, which helps maintain smoother layers and better surface quality, particularly on detailed models. Speed is also competitive. With acceleration around 10,000 mm per second squared, the printer can produce parts quickly while maintaining accuracy. The day-to-day experience is a big part of the appeal. The touchscreen interface is easy to navigate, the slicer workflow is straightforward, and maintenance is designed to be relatively simple. For buyers who want more flexibility later, the optional AMS Lite system also enables multicolor printing. The main caveat is that nozzle and hot end servicing can involve more steps than the quick swap idea might suggest. Even with that, the A1 stands out because it combines strong print quality, smooth workflow, and dependable operation at a price that still feels reasonable. For most people, it's the safest overall recommendation. Finally, the premium pick. The QD-Q1 Pro is the premium option in this guide, typically priced in the mid-$400 range. Spending more here gives access to a broader range of materials and more demanding print scenarios. The biggest difference is the fully enclosed design with an actively heated chamber. This stabilizes the printing environment and improves results with materials like ABS, ASA, nylon, and polycarbonate that tend to warp on open printers. It also supports nozzle temperatures up to around 350 degrees Celsius, expanding compatibility to engineering filaments including carbon fiber and glass fiber blends. Its Core XY motion system and dual Z-axis setup help maintain speed and stability, while sensors like filament runout detection and tangle monitoring help reduce failed prints. The built-in camera and remote monitoring are also helpful for longer prints. The main limitation is that getting the best results across many different materials can still require some slicer tuning. For buyers who want to move beyond basic filaments or plan to print more demanding parts, the Q1 Pro offers far more flexibility than a typical hobby printer. The Adventurer 5M is the affordable entry point. The Bambu Lab A1 offers the best everyday balance, and the QIDI Q1 Pro makes the strongest case for buyers who want broader material support and more room to grow. Links to all three are in the description below with current pricing. Hopefully, this helped make the decision a little clearer.